Hi, my name is Dr. Heidi Hook, and I'm a naturopath here at Auburn Naturopathic Medicine. So many people ask me, what is a leaky gut? And so I'm going to explain that today. So first I'm going to explain what a healthy gut is. And gut, we're talking about from your mouth all the way down through your stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and all the way to your rectum, so out. So that's what we're talking about when we say gut. But mainly I'm looking at the small intestine, large intestine down here. And a healthy gut means that if these are the cells of the gut, they should fit nice and tight. So you have a good barrier between you and the food that you eat. So when you eat your food, if you have healthy digestion, you chew your food really well till it's a liquid, and your body is able to break those particles down to the very smallest particles that get actively transported through the cells into your blood. And the blood goes from, all the blood from the gut goes to the liver, and the liver processes it further. So it's a nice clean system. Everyone's happy. You get rid of what you don't want, and you absorb what you want. When we have stress can be not sleeping, antibiotics, NSAIDs, alcohol, emotional stress, a cold or flu or a bug. It causes these cells in the gut to swell. And when they swell, they don't really fit as tight anymore. And so we call that leaky. But a couple things happen. Toxins that would never have gotten chosen actually leak in, and that could go to the liver and then overwhelm the liver, because the toxins don't come with extra antioxidants and nutrients to say, here liver, here's extra nutrients to deal with me. And so what we say is the liver gets overworked and underpaid and tired, and maybe not be able to detoxify, maybe not regulate blood sugar as well, not able to regulate your hormones as well. The other thing that happens, and depletes your other nutrients in your liver. So the other thing that happens are proteins that may not have been completely digested are now leaking into your blood. And that protein that's not digested, it can't get digested any further because there's no digestion that happens in the blood. So your body sees that undigested protein as a foreign invader. So it's going to mount an immune response. It's going to make this antibody. And that antibody's job is to recognize that protein, grab it, and pull it out of your blood to keep you safe. So when it pulls it out of your blood, it'll adhere to a membrane somewhere else in your body. And when it adheres to that membrane, it causes inflammation. So what we see is that it can go to your gut and cause more inflammation. It can go to your joints and cause inflammation and joint pain, your head and headache. It kind of depends on where your weaknesses are, and that's where they'll go. So healing the gut is like foundational in naturopathic medicine, because the gut is the roots of the tree. It's where we absorb our nutrients. It's where we able to detoxify, because the liver then dumps toxins into the gut to exit them out of the body. And if your gut is inflamed, you're just rearranging furniture, right? You're taking it out of your body, dumping it into your gut, and absorbing it back in. So healing the gut is primary. And remember, those undigested protein molecules that are getting in, those are usually the high allergen foods. So we look at dairy, we look at wheat, and those are, for me, the top two, but they can be eggs, corn, soy, oranges. It kind of depends on who you are and what you eat a lot. But that's what we think about what a leaky gut is and the ramifications of having a leaky gut. Thanks so much for listening.